Do you want to add link in Twitter X bio? You can put link on X profile with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a link in your bio on X. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, tap on your profile icon or picture located at the top left corner of the screen to open the side menu. From the menu, tap on your profile name to open your profile page. Now, tap on the Edit Profile button on your profile screen. Your profile editing options will appear. Next, tap on the Bio field to edit your profile description. Type or paste the link you want to add in your bio section. You can also add a link in the website field if available, which will appear separately on your profile. After adding your link, review your changes to make sure everything looks correct. Finally, tap on Save at the top right corner of the screen. Once done, the link will appear in your X bio, and people can view or copy it from your profile.